Akiaria hede ya kuruguria tafarira iyo, Gavana wa Kiambu William Kabogo no augete ati aikari othe ya kaunti ya Kiambu ni maribataraga gukorwo na kadi ya mwanya ya kuriha thibitari amu mutaratara wa kuriha utungata mbeca varivari ni uguthira.
Very soon we are going to go into cashless payments, so you would have to have a smart card, and that smart card you will be registered as a Kiambu resident.
Kabogo augete andu aingi aria marigitagwo thibitari-ini cia Kiambu maumaga kaunti iria iriganetie na nikio gitumite moke na mutaratara wa kwandikithia ikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu magie kadi cia mwanya cia thibitari.
I think 33 million shillings worth of drugs every month, and you can imagine that is drugs meant for the people of Kiambu. But you go to Thika level 5 hospital, the same thing is happening. Patients from Machakos.
Oho ni oritie kaunti iria iriganetie na Kiambu kwa batia ikiro cia thibitari ciao niguo itige guthinika.
They should also try and, sort out the hospital so that Kenya will have good facilities as a country.
Thibitari wa Kiambu riu uri na mitambo ya mwanya ya Wi-Fi iria ikuguna ikari ya Kiambu na njira nene.
It's really showing how ICT is solving the business problems that all of our customers have in all of their businesses and solving it here in the hospital. So I'm very impressed to see that.
Ikinya riri ni ria mukirirwo wega ni Minister wa ugima wa mwiri kaunti ya Kiambu Dr. John Mwangi akiuga gukinyeria riu thibitari cia Kiambu ni kiguni kuri ikari guku akimoria kwamukira mutaratara ucio.
And we are happy that our patients are enjoying good health care courtesy of the feedback that we are getting from our clients.
Hado ini ha Inooro TV jitagwo Kimani wa Githiji.